Alright guys, here we are at the Sky Tower. You can see over here is the Sky Tower entrance. We got the Starbucks here that we go to. And let me just show you guys. There's a lot of machines here. It goes really, really far. Got a lot of EGTs, banks of EGTs further down. You can see here, drag lanes. So take care and thank you, Choctaw. I'm here at Choctaw. Durant just landed me a bonus on a 2-cent denom, 352 bet, ultra spins, playing this game here. So let's see how it goes. I got it pretty quick. I think on my third spin. So let's get it. All right. So we get the ultra spin feature. We need that bird to come back out. Got 2 spins left. Yes. Land it. Alright, and we're in a 2-cent denom. 352 bets. I change up these bets all the time. We got the ultra spins. So it's this game right here on this bank. It's called Bao Zhu Zhao. I don't know. Come on, baby. Give me the bird to fly in. The ultra spin feature. Here we go. Reset back to 3. Alright, nice. Come on, we do it. Right here, baby. Give me that feature again. Yes. Keep them coming. And this is a 2 cent. So that's already 20 bucks right there. It's on that one. Alright. This is at the south area of the casino. And that's it. Let's count them up. Go on to this. Nice. 78. 84. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Alright, let's do some back and spins. Remember, I am on a 2-cent denom, 352 bet. That seems to be the bet right now. We should use firecrackers. We need the red one. We need all of them to turn. 70, that's not doing it for you. Go to a 264 bet on the 1 cent.
176.
No. Oh, I need one more for the double up. I'll show y'all. Look. Best thing. You could be chasing, these are like the bag games where you're chasing those coins. You could be here for a long time waiting for that bonus. So far it's been a great time at Choctaw. It's about 1:30 in the morning on a Monday, so technically it's Tuesday. So we'll see how this goes. Couple more spins here and then I'll come back if I get anything else on this one. That's $2.60, which really is not a lot based on the bet. You always want to get more than your bet size back at least. Let me show you those firecrackers. So you can get ultra spins, double up or extra spins. Yeah, Tiffany just got a bonus over there.
Hallelujah!
Look at her. She got the double up. I'll do a couple more and then I'll definitely come back if I get anything else. Thank you so much for watching, commenting. Let me know if you like this game. Do you think it's a lot like the bag game, or like what are your thoughts on it? I know a lot of people like this one. I like it too. But what game do I not like? Any game that's paying. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I will come back. Thank you. Right after it turned off, I got the bonus, but I lowered my bet to $1.76. I got the extra spins bonus, so let's see how this one goes. Now we're gonna get 4 spins. Okay, here we go. And this is still the same denom, as you can see. It was right after. It always happens right after you turn off the camera. This is the next, actually the 1 spin after the next. Let me show y'all Miss Tiffany. Look. Look how she's doing. She's doing great over there. Hi, Tiffany. Alright, let's keep it going. Land something with a name, baby. The minis at 20, the minors at 40. Lowered my bet, so that does happen sometimes. So far, these are $1, $3 wins. We'll take it. Ooh, that's a good one, $15. All right, we still got 4 spins. Let's do it. Let's fill her up for the grand jackpot. All right, there we go. Come on. Nice tip.
My back hurt on that one.
Huh? No, it's in 2 cent. It's a 2 cent denom. So times 2.
Oh, okay.
I'm at like 1,400.
I was like, what the hell?
All right, and that's it. Count them up.
Oh my God.
Nice. $31. Not bad for $1.76 bet. I'll take it. What else can I do? Throw it back? No. Okay, let's do some more backups. Hopefully it won't be camera shy like it was earlier. Well, it does happen sometimes. Nada. Look at that red one. It's still full. I won't be chasing these firecrackers all night. You don't want to be chasing these firecrackers all night. All right. A couple more, and then I'm done. Gotta move on to something else. I'll be chasing these darn firecrackers all night. Oh, you scared me. I was like, are you okay?
I scared myself.
She sneezed. She scared herself. Oh, finally, double up. You got the double up bonus. Yes. All right. All right, so let me bring this down so you guys can see it. It's at $1.76.
Oh, I got the ultra spin.
Yes, good job. Kevin, you got a bonus too. Sorry, is that this one's a tall one, so I gotta. All right, that's a $10 ball. Oh, sorry about that. Changing hands on the recording. Come on, do it. Okay, we got 3 up there, 1 down, 2 down up here, 1 down
I
here.
got the minor.
Oh, nice. Save it. Come on, let's get it, get it. Let's get it. All right, let's get it. Let's go. Come on, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. All right, you got the bird. Oh, I got the mini. Mini
You
me.
got the mini me and I got the minor.
Yes. Let's see what we need here. And that's $1.76 bet, guys. Oh, we need one more here. Come on, baby, get that grand. 10,000. Oh, we tried though. Let's count them up. Okay, we're done with the first screen almost. So that was $30 on the first one. That's 50. Oh, go Tiff. And this is $1.76, so $68, guys. Nice, nice. Nice, so then we'll bring it in. We can do some more backups here. And then I'll definitely come back if I get anything else. Thank you for watching. Again, let me know, comment on the video. Nice tip. Her back hurt on that one. All right, and we'll do a couple more backups, and then I'll come back. Having a great time here at Choctaw. Really a great time here. We have enjoyed. We ran into some subscribers, so that's always nice. A couple more. Firecrackers going everywhere, right? Ooh, we got the ultra spins, guys. Got the ultra spin. All right, this is a $1.76 bet.
Extra spin.
All right, here we go. All right, we got $1 there. Come on, do something. You gotta land something. All right, there we go. There comes the feature. I say it looks like a bird that's coming through. It's gotta come back, man. There's nothing but dollars there. Let's see if it does something else. Come on, there it goes. God, we need an increase on all of these. It's not giving very much, to be honest with you. Nice.
Oh, baby.
So many times too, because it's gonna go up, yeah.
Double bet, extra spins.
Alright, at least it's over $10, so.
Oh,
Ooh,
I got the double bet.
I told you. $12 win, let's go.
You think you can beat me? I don't think so.
She's being silly over there because she got it. Look, let me show y'all what she got.
It's competition time.
This is competition. She's got a double mini. Come on, let's go, baby. And a couple more. Thank you so much for watching, stopping by. You know, like I said, I'm an average gambler. You're not going to see really high bets from me. Or I feel comfortable. We're going to raise the bet now to 352. I think these are average bets for the average gambler. And there's nothing wrong with these low bets. They keep me in the game, and you know, you tend to get more frequent wins. Alright guys, and that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and blessings to all of y'all, and good luck wishes. Signing out, Texas Rose Mendoza Slot Adventures, playing here at Choctaw in Durant, Oklahoma.